Welcome to the Gondo Book. I'm Jose and this is
Shelly.
And Bentley's in the RV and we do have a waggle, so we monitor the temperature or the power outage. We're here at Fort Meade. It is Thursday the 25th, our first full day here at Fort Meade, and we have no idea where nothing is at. Nada. Nothing. So we're going to try to go to the PX first to look around for things we might need, and also then to the commissary because we need a few things there. Not much. That's about it, babe, right?
Yeah.
So we're just going to drive around, see if we find it.
And we'll get some lunch while we're out.
Oh yeah, and go get some lunch.
Yeah.
So you need to say anything, babe?
I'm just excited for the day to see what all's here. This is a huge base. And
I can't tell you if it's bigger than Fort Dix or not. I have to check.
we have to see, yeah.
I think
But as far
Dix
as
is
the camping, it's a lot bigger than Fort Dix. They've got about 50 sites here.
I think
Fort
it's like
Dix,
41.
Yeah, I think Fort Dix only had like 12. And I like this site because we have tons of space in between each
do.
RV,
Yeah.
so
We're going to try to get 17 again. 17 looks like it's a nice
it's
site.
a nice site,
Yeah.
and tons of woods. So I really like that. I would like to come back again in the fall.
All right, so without further ado, we'll see you when we find out where the PX is at. All right, see ya.
Bye.
Yeah, you got a Smurf shirt on. Nice.
What did you say, iconic?
Yeah, why don't I remember that? And that's that tough Smurf with the tattoo.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, he's got the
Oh,
muscles.
yeah, the heart.
Yeah. We got the, we're at the exchange at Fort Meade. Food court, they got Starbucks, Panda, Subway, Charlie's Chicken, I think. I don't know what that QBODA was.
Yeah.
Ooh, we do DoorDash too.
Oh, shoot.
Mexican, that's a Mexican place. And something else. The exchange. Yeah. I think they're both. Yeah, it looks nice. Concession stands. Babe, you need one of those?
I'll try it.
What's that? There goes to Starbucks. Yeah, we're not a Starbucks fan. U.S. Patriot Tactical. I'm gonna go in here while you're doing that, okay? How are you doing? I see it. Ooh, that's nice. All right. Thank you. Oh, look at this. This is nice.
Which one?
Her hair right here. Well, all these hair. That's nice.
That was nice, too.
This one looks real nice. This one right here.
Oh, she's really good.
Yeah, that's nice. The barbershop. Ooh, that's a big one. A big barbershop. 1810, that's pretty good. It's my color. $35.
Right.
Yep, taking one of these.
But they don't need cell phone receipts, so you won't always know who you paid.
We don't need to go to GameStop for the ceilings. Yeah, they got enough. We might need to go. Yeah, we want to go that way. Well, we'll just go to the end. We're just gonna go to the end over here and then here.
I even bought your Dramamine.
Oh, yeah, I have some in I think my my backpack. No, I don't. That's Rolaids. But we'll start over here. They have some camping stuff over here. Oh, they sure. Coolers and backpacks. I got me a backpack bigger, a bigger one. I got mine from Timo though.
Yeah.
No, this
A
right here.
portable fire.
That's a portable propane tank, I think. All right, let's see what they got here. Light sticks. How much are they? They don't have a price
What's
on.
that for?
$7. In case you need an emergency light, you break it. It's chemical. You,
okay.
like the ones they do at the disco.
Yeah.
But the army uses them for like marking stuff or toe warmer.
Yeah.
I would have bought some of those.
Hand warmer.
Yeah, I would have been buying some of those.
Microwavable towel.
Oh, that's
Keep you
cool.
warm, yeah.
That says microfiber towel.
Ah,
I know you can't see it, but that's freaking funny.
I just saw the micro. I figured the rest out on my own.
I thought it was one of those towels you stick in the microwave and then
Yeah,
it's
that's
like
what
hot.
I thought. Yeah.
But then I said no, it's microfiber. That walking stick's nice. $18. That's nice. It's all the fishing gear here. Nice. Swimming, scuba diving. All right. Let's go down here. 50% off. Ooh, look at this. That's a nice one. And you were looking at this one?
Yeah. Yeah, all that down there.
What?
All that down there.
Yeah. We don't need any clothes.
No.
Hawaiian poke. Pokemoto. Is that a drink? I don't know. What do you want to eat, babe? I'm gonna look at this panda thing over here. Subway?
I can eat it.
You're
I'll
not?
eat a meatball.
Yeah, me too. That's right. Subway it is. All right, babe. What'd you get?
I got a meatball sub with provolone cheese and toasted.
And that's exactly what I got. How's it looking? Yeah, and
that
Italian
looks
herb.
good.
I like the Italian herb.
Yeah.
The commissary.
That's it.
Saturday and Sunday is 9 to 9, and then the rest is 8 to 9. We want the old regular bread. Should we get soda? You don't need one. We need any of this?
Ketchup and mustard.
Ooh, sweet and spicy. Mm-hmm.
No, we don't want that.
Regular. Regular, yeah.
Yeah.
Right here, small one.
Yeah.
We have peanut butter, we're good there. Huh? Oh, spices.
Yeah. See if they have.
Alright. We're going in here? Oh, yeah. Do we need beans? No, I'm going to grab another one.
Just grab one more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where you going?
Tuna?
Yeah.
Chunk light tuna and water?
Yes.
Yeah, we're coming back. It's not like right down the street, so it's not too bad. It's clear, babe. Oh. You got fudgicles? You good?
Yeah, I have enough. I've been eating them.
They have them over here.
Okay.
The small ones. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Gonzo Book Day 3 of Fort Meade, Maryland. Hi, babe.
Hi. Hi, everybody.
This is Shelly, in case you don't know, and I'm Jose. And we're about to head over to the bowling alley to get something to eat and maybe play a game of bowling. Is that how you say it? A game of bowling?
I said a set.
A set of bowling?
I don't know what it's called.
We're going to go bowl. How's that?
Yeah, we're going to go bowling.
So, that's what we're going to do. Bentley's in there. We do have a waggle. I always like to say that. Why you leave pet inside? We do have a waggle and the air conditioning goes. So.
And we don't stay out that long without checking on him.
So, without further ado, we'll see you at the bowling alley, hopefully. We're heading into the oh look, there's a outdoor patio right there.
That's probably where.
Yeah.
We can eat outside.
We outside. Oh wait, I can't steal that. It belongs to that. That's the Glam fans. Oh yeah, seriously? Oh, this is nice.
Oh, this is nice.
Look at this.
Ooh, they got a lot of lanes.
That's pretty. Give me one, babe. Give me one. This is really nice. I forget how a bowling alley looks. Typical carpet look.
Yeah. That's nice.
But it's nice and clean.
You can't see the dirt, but that's dirt.
No, it's very nice. Oh, locker rooms. Oh, this is the like a game room over here.
11.
Oh, that's like the bar. It might not be open, babe.
Oh, that's right.
It might be over here though.
Yeah.
Well, we gotta go get something to eat first.
Yeah.
We can always come back to here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. And then the arcade. Yeah. No, it might be up here, babe. Oh, they have a little shop here. What's a coach? Yeah. This is really nice.
I know this. Guys, but
Okay, we got the camera on. They got food right here. Very nice. This is nice right here. I like this. There's our bobblehead of Matt's RV Reviews, a Liquified edition. It was red, I painted it orange. I don't know if you saw it, guys saw that video. And I'm about to stick some Liquified in my black tank. That's about it. It's close. This is the lavender scent. I got this for free from Matt himself. Thank you, Matt. I appreciate it. Oh, look at that picture right there. That's nice. Oh, I need a bobblehead with a purple shirt. Huh. And there's my toilet. Yeah, you just dump it in there. I like to put a little water first. A little water. Dump it in. There you go. And goodbye. And you should always fill your tank up with a little bit of water. That's like your trap. Make sure the stink don't come back up. That's about it. That's it. Make sure you recap it. And that's it. You let Matt do all the work. Nice. Thanks again, Matt, for the free Liquify. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Hey, it's us again. We are done for today. Where did we go? Oh, we went to the bowling alley, and from there we just came back and did our own thing, relaxed.
Took a nap.
Did I take a nap?
Yeah,
Yeah,
at
I
least
did.
an hour.
Yeah, I took a nap, and then I was just watching, stuff on YouTube and stuff like that, and working on the video that this is going to attach to. So, how was your day, babe?
It was awesome. I really enjoyed it. Beautiful weather.
Normally, you don't see me without a hat.
I know.
That's why I got a haircut, decent haircut. So tomorrow, we didn't go bowling. We didn't like the food. It was typical bowling alley food.
Yeah.
So we were like, we could do better than that. So we went to Burger King.
And it was very good.
We had that fiery chicken.
Yeah, it was very good.
And we had the same meal again. We had the meatball sandwich yesterday. The same as again. I was going to look for a few things. My monitor, my rear monitor for my backup camera, my trailer, I broke the antenna off, so it's not working. So I'm going to try to find another monitor that kind of matches. You can find my camera. So.
Yeah, he doesn't like the fact that he can't see behind us when we have the trailer, so we need to go get one.
You have any last thing to say?
I have nothing else to say.
So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Bye, everybody.